Mary has $3.50 in change. She has twice as many nickels as quarters. She has one less dime than she has quarters. How many of each coin does she have? So let's let Q equal the number of quarters. She has twice as many nickels as quarters, so 2Q will equal the number of nickels. And she has one less dime than she has quarters, so Q minus 1 will equal the number of dimes. So we have Q number of quarters. Well, the value of a quarter is 25 cents, so 0.25 Q will equal the value of the quarters, plus a nickel is 5 cents, and we have 2Q of those, plus a dime is 10 cents, and the number of those we have is Q minus 1, equals the amount of change, which is $3.50. So let's first multiply every term by 100 and get rid of our decimal. Well, that'll give us what? 25Q plus 5 times 2Q plus 10 times Q minus 1 is equal to 350. Now, if we simplify, we'll have 25Q plus 10Q. Distributing this will give me 10Q minus 10 is equal to 350. Well, now let's combine our Q's. 25Q plus 10Q plus 10Q is 45Q. Minus 10 is equal to 350. And now we need to add 10 to both sides. So if we add 10, we'll have 45Q is equal to 360. Now let's divide both sides by 45. So 45 will give us Q equal to 8. And remember, Q represented quarters, so we have 8 quarters. Let's now find how many dimes and how many nickels we have. Well, we know that we have 2 Q nickels, so if we plug 8 in place of Q, we have 16 nickels. And then if we take Q minus 1, that'll give us a number of dimes, so that'll be 7. So we have 8 quarters, 16 nickels, and 7 dimes.